At our computer repair shop here in Stony Plain, this is something we see from time to time. So this is actually a dangerous situation here. So you have a battery in there that's expanding and pushing the screen backwards. And the thing here is that if you were to smash the screen like that or stab it with something, you could pop that battery and start to fire real fast. So this is a dangerous situation in the first place. So we could, in theory, try and just replace the battery and then get it going again. But the problem is, with the age of this one, it's beyond the age of really being viable, because it would cost you almost as much as getting a new one to replace the battery in this case. So that brings us to the actual important point. We need to get the data off of here. So the first thing we're going to try is picking up our external drive here. And we're just going to use our EaseUS partition master. And we're actually just going to try and clone this operating system over to here, because the faster we get it off of this device here and the sooner we can dispose of it, the better. Because this is a fire hazard just waiting to happen.